viewers, welcome to Ekamais Academy. Today we are here to discuss about world's largest safari park which is going to be planned in the state of Haryana. What is the safari park? What are the unique specialities of this particular park? Along with what are Aravallis and associated features from geography point of view, we'll be discussing in this particular video. So first, what is the recent context? So Haryana government has given approval to establish world's largest safari park in the Aravalli range. So this is going to be established almost in an area of 3,800 hectares, right? So very important. So we have to understand this is going to be in the range of Aravallis. So they are going to plant this in almost 3,800 hectares. And this was given approval in 2022 itself, right? So, but there was some opposition from the environmentalists and Indian Forest Service officers also, because Aravallis is also an ecologically sensitive area. So, any safari park where human habitations and human activities will increase in this particular area can pose a significant ecological threat to Aravallis. So, because of this opposition, there is a stall in the project, but still in the recent times, Haryana government has given approval to establish the world's largest safari park in this particular reserve, right? So, first let us understand what are the main concerns, why environmentalists are raising concerns in this regard. So, first main concern is environmental concerns. So, environmental concerns because this is lying in an ecologically sensitive zone. As we know, Aravallis are one of the oldest mountain range in the world. At the same time, they are also protecting the desertification. They are preventing the desertification, which is expansion of Thar Desert to the other areas. So, they are preventing desertification and they are playing a crucial role in this regard. So, anything which is planned in Aravallis may disrupt this particular thing. That is one main concern. At the same time, there can be an impact on water resources. Aravallis are serving as aquifers or the groundwater recharge tables for many of the rivers. So, any disturbance of humans in this particular area may also pollute the water bodies which are very ecologically sensitive. That is also one alarming situation. Then forest and conservation laws. Already whatever the laws that were made by the state and center are also in contravention with this particular law. So those laws have to be amended to make such relaxations. So why this project is then being planned by the state government? So the main thing is to boost tourism. At the same time they are saying it is better way to conserve the endangered species. So what type of endangered species we come across in this particular safari park is blackbucks, it can be vultures or soft-shelled turtles. These type of species are being conserved in this particular tiger reserve or safari park. Next, there is an important announcement regarding those who are preparing for UPSC Prelims 2025. So, if you are unsure about your preparation and if you are not able to revise well, so then there is a solution from Ekamais Academy where we are trying to plan a rapid revision program in 125 hours covering all the major subjects along with the static and current affairs. Not only this, we are trying to cover the PYQs as much as possible in the shortest possible time so that it will benefit the student community. So, all the classes will be taken by expert faculty. Within 125 hours, you will be completing all the major subjects with much confidence. And for detailed schedule, you can scan on the QR code on the screen. At the same time, this program is available at the cost of 2,999 only. Those who avail this particular program can also have the benefit of taking Ekamais test series at the cost of 999 only. So, for what are you waiting for? You can contact us on this number for more details. Right then. Next, let us look into the topic of discussion, Aravallis. So, we know Aravallis are located in this particular region and those are the oldest fold mountains. So, fold mountains are formed when the folding of crust happens. Folding of crust happens when two plates converge generally, right? So, then we have to remember that Aravallis are the oldest fold mountains in India. Then they are located in the state of Rajasthan. So, 4 states are mainly involved here: Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, along with Gujarat. So, in 4 states we have Aravallis passing through. Then what is the highest peak here? It is Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar in Mount Abu is the highest peak in this particular range. At the same time, many rivers take their birth in Aravallis. So, it is Luni River, which is the only inland river we can say. At the same time, we have Banas River. Banas River is a tributary of Chambal River. Chambal in turn is a tributary of Yamuna. Yamuna is in turn a tributary of Ganga River. And then we also have Sahibi. Sahibi is a tributary of Narmada River. At the same time, we also have Sabarmati. So, these are various rivers which originate from Aravallis and they take the course into Arabian Sea, right? So, these are the main things. Apart from this, Aravallis is also famous for various types of minerals. Like phosphates, salt, many things, right? So precious minerals are also being mined from Aravalis. That is actually the point of contention also. So when we are having Aravalis as a mineral rich region, why human entry have to be allowed? So humans are always having their greed more than their need, right? So this may trouble Aravalis, which is also considered as an ecologically sensitive zone. So for these reasons, environmentalists are not supporting the idea of establishing the world's largest safari park in this region. Now let us look into the practice question. Right. So before the practice question, we also have an important announcement and information regarding the protection of Aravalis. What are the legal safeguards we have? So with respect to Aravalis, Punjab government has passed a Land Preservation Act in 1900. What is Punjab's contention here? You have to remember, at that point of time, Punjab includes Haryana as well. So as Haryana has Aravali range in their particular territory, this also covers Haryana. So what is the main thing? They wanted to stop deforestation. So diversion of agricultural land for non-agricultural purposes, or forest land for non-agricultural purposes. So those are mainly restricted under this particular act. At the same time, Indian Forest Act is also imposing certain restrictions on the use of forest land in the Aravali region. At the same time, we have an important Supreme Court judgment regarding T.N. Godavarman Tirupal versus the state. In 1999, a famous judgment was given by Supreme Court where it said unnotified areas also qualify under the definition of forest. So whatever the definition of the state under the forest category will not be accepted. Dictionary definition of forest have to be taken as the final thing. That is what the important Supreme Court judgment in this regard. Now let us look into the practice question. So consider the following statements. First one, Aravali ranges run parallel to the Pir Panjal in Lesser Himalayas spreading across the state of Haryana and Uttarakhand. Then Guru Shikhar on Mount Abu is the highest peak of Aravali range. Among this, which is the right option, let me know in the comment section. Then today we have discussed about world's largest safari park being planned in Aravali range. Why there are some reasons for objecting this particular thing. At the same time, we also have seen the geographical features of Aravalis and what are the laws that are safeguarding Aravalis in this regard. Thank you for watching. All the very best.